Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Here we have Aiyima Woofers, and I'm gonna unbox it, so see if it arrived in good condition. And oh yeah, it did. Some rings here, and here's the small woofers. Seems very nice quality. You can see on the back, Aiyima, and 4 ohms. Comes in very nice packaging. You can see it got a little dent here, but when there's foam inside, the product is not gonna get damaged. So let's try them out. These sound very nice. They are so small, like 53 millimeters. It says on Aiyima store. That's very impressive. Like, they're so tiny. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.